So thank you so much. So actually we are on the platform of preparing for this both the matches, both for Maldives and the India-Bangladesh AFC qualifiers. So we are now on the preparation with the government of Meghalaya as well as with the AIFF for this 2 matches to happen in Shillong.
And there was some news report that maybe Maldives would not come. Can you update us on that?
No, honestly speaking, I was very surprised to see that news in the social media to say that Maldives is not coming to Shillong, whereas MFA, we have not received any official intimation from AIFF that Maldives is not coming to Shillong. But whereas mails have been coming to MFA for the Maldives coming to Shillong on a certain date, even today I have received a mail that they even have deputed the match commissioner for the India-Maldives game. So this is, I wanted to say that there's nothing as such like, that whatever has come out in the social media. So it has been confirmed that Maldives is playing India on the 19th.
And they are coming 1 day ahead of the scheduled arrival.
Of the scheduled arrival, they requested for that,
yeah.
So we have arranged for it accordingly.
And how's the other preparation? Because when the last AFC match commissioner had come, I think the ground was perfect, he said, almost perfect. The only thing he was worried about was the training ground. So has the work been going on that also?
Work is still going on. We are waiting for the machine to arrive from Calcutta. Hopefully in a week maybe everything will be fine. So we'll keep you update.
The other day, me and Barclay and the President Bahamlet, we have gone for the inspection physically to the ground. We have seen the grass have grown well, but the only thing is that that it needs rolling the ground. Otherwise, it's almost okay.
Some undulation is there.
Some undulation is there where it may cause some inconvenience for the players to have a practice. But then I think it should be okay with other machines coming from Calcutta.
And fans will want to know also, like, is it going to be a ticketed, even the friendly also will be ticketed, or what's it going to be like?
I think we are still yet to have an LOC meeting with the Commissioner Secretary.
Yes.
So we will finally take a call on that. Yes.
This is the first time Meghalaya will host this event now, international match, and it will be a prestige for us. In brief, can you tell us what makes IFF to turn to Meghalaya and to give you a chance to MFA to host these 2 matches here in Shillong?
So I think first of all, I think AIFF must have seen that the Shillong had been hosting the Durand Cup successfully, and as you know, Shillong is a hot tourist destination with the facilities available. So actually there was an offer from the IFF to the Meghalaya Football Association whether we could have this. So anyway, we thought that we would approach the government. I would offer my sincere gratitude to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya who has agreed to support us for this event.
We have a couple of young talented players playing in different clubs levels. Do you think these players are coming along with the Indian team, or the coach, or maybe have as such? Because unless and until we have local players even to play, then it will be meaningless for us to have this tournament here.
No, that depends on the coach, and you'll see how the performance is in ISL. Right now we can't say anything. Right.
So, and as you all know that this is the survival of the best.
Yes.
Whoever is the best will be picked up. And I hope that I think many of the Northeast players will be in the Indian team.
And we hopefully maybe if 1 or 2 players from our states
could be maybe redeemed, Talang would be included in the team.
Or Rigi Shamung will be very, very happy.
How do you see this match helping the growth of football here in Meghalaya?
Actually, having these matches, I think will give a lot of encouragement to the young players actually. And we thought that, that during the days that the Indian team will be camping here in Shillong for around 13 to 14 days, from the MFA side, we have had a discussion that we would have, an interaction with the boys of different academies, so that they draw inspirations from these players. So maybe like we look at it in a very, very positive way.